What's your target for this one? Hmm.
It's not looking too bright. can invert these gaps on in 1 minute, I think it's gonna drop like crazy. And also, if we can close above one, two, three, four, five, six, seven down candles, this will become an order block. Take this off. it's not looking bright at all. Ooh, yeah, we might get stomped out. We just took out that low. I mean, that high. Damn, what the hell just happened? The fuck?
What the fuck?
The fuck just happened?
What the fuck?
That shit just swoops that low and then yeek, just jam down. Come on, favor me, bro. I thought it was gonna stomp me out. It may still, it may still. I ain't not gonna get too happy right now. But that 1 minute candle looking real nice though.
Hey, Obi, do you use harmonic patterns or anything like that, or do you like use like trend lines?
No, I don't use none of that. Yeah, I don't use none of that. Is that what you use?
I implement it.
Okay. Bro, I'm about to create a bullish order block, bro. God damn. Yeah, this trade is not gonna play out.
Bro, it's gonna dump.
You said what?
It's gonna dump.
Yeah, with that weird ass
It's
candle
gonna
that just.
dump. Watch this. Watch how it's gonna dump some today. I don't know if it's gonna be now after this manipulation. but it's gonna fucking dump. It's gonna dump so fast, bro, so hard.
I'm waiting on it. Because we've been stalling, bro. If we can close it below this down candle right here, this up candle, I'll be a little bit happy. Alright, create some displacement. Come on, push lower. Alright, we close below that up candle, so that's good.
Me, I didn't like that. It left out those highs.
Yo.
It's fine, but
So
the only thing I like about those highs, we didn't display. Damn, look at this shit. It's just this shit is looking
I
nasty.
want to see it take the
Hey,
highs
Obi.
and then fucking dump to
Obi,
hell.
you in the trade right now?
Yeah. I'm in the trade.
Thought you shit. We got any plays?
No, I ran out of it.
What you mean?
Like this is the trade I'm currently in.
Thought you shit. Bro, I lost 1,000, bro, and I made that shit all back.
Nice. Just don't trade today, man. Just
Why?
relax.
What if we have good
Congrats, bro.
plays?
Relax, bro. No need to make more.
What are you doing here?
Right now, this is my first trade of the day, man. If I lose, if I
Really?
win, it is what it is. I come back
So you're gonna
tomorrow.
buy? You're gonna buy on Nasdaq?
No, I'm in the sell.
Ooh, I might sell.
Mm, come on, bro. That shit is just stalling so much, bro. It's ridiculous. Just dump already.
Why do you think it's about to dump?
Because we got SMTs, we got the change in state, we have low resistant liquidities here resting, we have a gap down here that needs to be filled. Yeah, multiple reasons why it should dump, but if it doesn't provide it, then it is what it is. It is what
I
it
feel like it's
is.
just been ranging for the last couple fucking hours now.
Indeed. It's ridiculous. This price action is funny.
Yeah, 'cause you gotta wait for opening.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you why I think it's about to dump because there is a volume imbalance, bro, and it's building a bear flag like a liquidity right on top of it. So
Yeah, I see a bear
this is
flag
getting
too.
so deep, bro.
Look
I
more like
don't
an
know if
ascending
you
wedge, honestly.
You said what?
this is getting so deep, but when you have and you can backtest it, but when you have an volume imbalance on the daily, there's just wicks and there's a body wicks body. There's no body closure. When you have that and you have so you got that volume imbalance and then you see an accumulation right above it, that
Mm-hmm.
means it's building liquidity to give volume, to deliver volume in a volume imbalance. Now, a volume imbalance It can because it's a volume imbalance. There is no body. It needs orders for the market to be balanced. So it needs buy orders, sell orders, high volume, low volume. It needs all of this. And when and this happens a lot when you see an accumulation, liquidity being built, especially in a condition like this when it's a new 4 hour candle. You see, you have an accumulation, the power of free accumulation, manipulation into distribution, where in the placement on top of a volume imbalance. Now that doesn't mean that you go blindly, and when you see a volume imbalance, you enter because there's no candle printed here, so I need to buy or sell into that candle. You need to add context into it.
Right.
We have that gap below. There is a reason for the market to go down. It is the PM session. A lot of people are not trading right now. Who's expecting a big drop right now? Probably not a lot.
Bro, the fact that I
I'm up
didn't
300
close
right
this
now.
shit. Bro, the fact I didn't close this shit is crazy.
Look at that, guys.
For real, bro.
Look over, look on the top right here. What you guys see right here?
Bro, I want to see it drop at least 150 points, at least.
What do you guys see on top of these highs on both of these?
SMT.
Yeah.
Bro, this shit should drop, bro. It should melt. It should dump. Like, bro, this shit is driving me crazy. Oh man.
The ranging is impeccable.
Yeah, it's just
Bro,
ranging
you know
so.
why it could be? I said like this is the most horrible shit that could happen. The market makers do. It's when they accumulate, and then 1 minute before the market close, it's ranging, and 1 minute before the market close, it just I don't know, it dumps.
Yeah, I've been seeing that.
That way, no one can enter, bro. That's hard.
The only person who can enter is like the people who got personal accounts. They could trade.
Yeah, but the only way you predict that, I mean, like you say to yourself, the market's about to close in a minute. What am I doing trading? And then you just see someone just pushing the sell button, and it drops like
Mhm.
200 points. The only person that can know that is whoever moving the market.
I'm about to pass
Right.
my account.
Yes,
Let's
It
sir.
go.
was all the way down.
Yes, sir. You on the sell, Jeffrey?
Come on. Reject off that bit. Chill, 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 chill. Come on.
Bro, this shit should dump, bro. It's just playing too much games.
You still in the trade?
Yeah, bro. Do you
And
need
what
me
you're
to sign up for
sensing?
you?
You up on it?
So
Oh
what?
my god. I am in so much profit.
Let me keep looking here.
What a crazy call. Whoever said that was about to dump, bro. Thank you, bro. It has to keep dumping. Come on.
Yeah, but I haven't seen what I wanted to see for me to enter. I entered, then I exit break even. but I want to see the liquidity being swept before it's
All right. So 4660. What else do we got here? Hey, cancel for me. Let's go back.
Go back to
6672. I found that. 4660. I found that. What else? 5188. I found that. Apple Services.
oh, I saw Apple Service.
4237. Oh, man. April. Yep. 42, 51, 48, 49, 34.
Please just don't.
You were right the first guess.
Hey, Panda, are you
Yeah.
talking to us or are you working?
Holy, holy fuck. Holy fuck. Wish I had an express already.
What the hell, bro?
I'm 1,000 more. Come on, just 300 more. I'm past. 500 improv. Chill. Passing it. Yeah, broke it. Broke it. God damn. Oh yeah. Come on. I'm about to hit it. I'm about to hit TP. Yes, that's all I need, bro. That's all I need.
unless that shit rejects.
That shit gonna reject.
It just rejected our high of that volume imbalance. We came out of it.
I
There's an
can barely,
accumulation. It
barely.
grabbed that shit. Break even at least, bro.
I just take 1,000. Fuck yeah. What a trade. What's a trade? You think he'll react off it?
It already touched it. It already reacted off of it. On my screen at least.
Yeah, it's gotta go down.
It touched the high of that volume imbalance.
There we go.
It's at an inverted now. It could bounce back and continue down.
So hold it. Wait, timber cells. Oh yeah. Should I have an uptrend now?
I don't like it.
Yeah, me neither. Fucking shit. Pushing high.
Don't like it, but there is that big ass
It's another
city
trade.
right there.
Okay.
And it did not sweep the liquidity. That's why I'm cautious. That's why I haven't entered until now. Like I still haven't entered. I entered, then I closed the break even, and I'm hesitating because of that liquidity. Now I rejected it, but it could do whatever it wants to. I don't know. I'm staying out of this for now.
So it rejected this order block. And that's when I should have known to buy. It's whatever. It's whatever.
The ideal scenario would be it rejecting the order block and continue dumping. But the thing is, the liquidity that I accumulated, it already tapped into it.
Does that count as a fair value gap? If it's like barely a candle?
Where,
Right here.
hold on, which one?
Right here. This fair value gap
The
the only one.
Yeah, of course. But it inverted it. That's a good sign. That's a damn good sign right now that it inverted it. Now I want to see it really dump hard.
How hard will it invert though?
If it doesn't do that, then I
It
don't
might be
like
a
it.
fake invert. It might be a fake invert. Yeah, look.
If it breaks below this, I might take a short.
Take them out. So now it's about to go back up probably. What do you mean how? Okay, well. What the fuck? I just want to see a closure under here, bruh.
Looks like a market maker sell model.
Like, what is this shit? Yeah. Man, what the fuck? Shit's stupid. Shit's stupid as hell. It's about to go down now.
It's testing your patience. It's testing who really wants it.
I got SMTs on these highs so I can bring my stop down and reduce the risk. As it's trading down, if it's creating more SMTs, I will begin to start trailing my stops.
It's gonna push up to this fair value gap. Where at? Where so? I don't know. I feel like it's about to go back up. If it closes under here, if it closes under here, right here. If it closes right here, where so? I'd have passed my count right now. I already knew it.
Oh man.
What's gonna touch the Bear Valley gap first? First of all, that's huge rejection. There it goes. Fake that again. It's gotta go back up. Watch. It's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up to Bear Valley. Holy shit! How many fake outs are there, bro? 5 fake outs, bro. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. What the fuck is going on? God damn.
Yeah, y'all familiar with asymmetrical triangles?
What you mean?
No, no, no.
We're
I'm
making
not.
lower highs, bro.
Cause that's what I'm seeing right now, bro. I just like kind of like mark my calendar or mark my chart, bro. My fault. And it's damn near like just like ranging right now. Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that triangle. The bear flag, the triangle, whatever it is.
Yeah, bro. It's like this damn near. From what I'm looking at, this shit could pop anywhere, bro. It's like 50-50.
Exactly, exactly. I don't like that.
Yeah, I see it.
I wanted to see an impulsive, like a really strong rejection to the downside, and I didn't get that.
Matter of fact, both sides are creating SMTs. What the fuck?
But like on the 15 minute, that shit looks beautiful for shorts.
Yeah, but at least we don't have a higher time frame SMTs on the lows. We got it on the highs, so I'm favoring the sells.
100%.
Yeah.
It's gonna fake us out again or what?
I don't want to marry the bias, you see.
Bro, I was holding it
God
up
damn.
here when it was almost about to stomp me out, bro.
There it goes.
To where is that now? I am
I
holding that
mean,
bitch.
just continue holding it if you've been all through that already, bro.
Yeah. Like, I thought I was gonna take an L today, actually. I was like, bro,
Yeah, get paid for it.
right. Hey, we can close below those 5 minute up candles where price is currently at. That will create a bearish order block and it should drop like crazy, man. It should drop. Close below those up candles. And then on a 15 minute, we have these series of 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. If we get a 15-minute closing below all these series of up candles, this shit is gonna drop its pennies and tank down. But
But you do not know where to go.
it's the Starling, bro. Just gonna wait patiently. Nah,
It's
come on.
probably gonna dump.
Yeah, man. I have so many reasons why it should bump. Why it should dump, actually, man.
Yeah, the way it's sitting inside of that CB and refusing to go up from there, but it doesn't like to. It's having a hard time to go back up to premium. I like that sign.
Fake this out almost. Oh my god.
You still in your
I
cell,
want to
Jeff?
fair value guy. You said what? Yeah, I'm
You
gonna
st-
still.
I said
Oh,
you
I just
still
got stopped
in the
out.
same cell? Or you got it
Nah,
again?
I just got it again.
Damn, bro. You didn't want to chill out after making all your money back?
I'm trying to reach 3,000.
Damn. That man said, fuck it.
I know it's
Jail's
gonna
got
dump.
some bands for real in real life. That man got
Hey,
$100,000
how
in
is Top
payout.
Step, bro?
Top Step, they say that okay, the count I have is the 150K, and they
Uh
want you
huh.
to make $9,000, but you can't make $9,000 in one day. You can't make more than 50% of $9,000, which is 4,500.
Okay.
So once you pass it, there's no limits of how much you can make. But then there is a rule for you to get payout. They say they want you to get 5 winning
That's a
days
top
of
minute.
$200 in profit for you to be eligible for a payout.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's it.
So just kept it where I
Is
had
it
it.
like a certain amount of days that you have to like make like
No,
their
no,
profit goal for the
no,
eval?
no limits. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
no,
that's
no.
what's up.
Yeah, you can take your time on it.
It looks
I
fun as
gotta
Is
hell.
it like
rush.
a monthly payment or like is it like a do they got like a lifetime fee?
If you do the challenge, if you don't pass it in a month, then you gotta continue paying them. But if you pass it, there's no monthly subscription.
Oh, that's lit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The only thing you will pay actually was just the activation fee to activate your funded account. But once you get a payout, you get the activation fee back if you get a payout.
Okay.
But if you lose your funded account, they keep your activation fee. So now you just pay them twice.
Mm.
It should dump.
Yeah, you should dump now.
I'm tired of this shit, bro. I waited fucking 5 hours. Pay me for my hours, bro. I ain't accepting this $400 minimum wage. I need you to pay me.
Let's go.
I love that close. I loved it. I loved
Yeah,
it.
let's go.
I love that close. Now the only thing I need is this next 15 minute. I needed to close below the series of down candles. One, two, three, four. We get that
Oh
close.
yeah.
I promise this shit is gonna dump.
Come on, this is beautiful, bro.
I promise that shit's gonna dump. I need some new displacement. At least leave that gap open, bro. Fuck.
Nah, for real.
Leave that gap open. I'm taking it all the way down here, bro.
Who the fuck is buying, bro? Like, how retarded can
Honestly,
you
if
be?
I get to 3,000, I might just settle with that,
Why are the
bro.
buys so strong, bro? For no reason.
I don't know, bro. You need to get back into the dojo and study, bro.
We just took out sell side.
Yes, sir. But I want to see more displacement. I want to go lower than that. I want to close below on a one
What
minute.
the fuck
This
is
candle's the
happening,
one
bro?
that's
Like, how
took
the
out
fuck? I don't get
this.
out of it, bro. Like, what?
So I keep telling you, bro, you need to stop
What are you
trading
telling me?
and get on the dojo, bro. Go back in the dojo and study.
I'm studying. I know what's going on. Like, what? I just broke lows. What are you talking about, bro?
but
And
but
wants to retrace back up.
you keep saying it's buying, it's selling, it's buying.
I don't even care no more, bro.
I feel it, man. Just do whatever you gotta do.
Obi, what's your target on this one?
So
That
what?
shit crazy. We definitely took out sell side like
What's
all the
your
way over here.
target on this one? You
What's that
take
mean?
profit.
Took out sell side.
I'm targeting.
Basically, there's like liquidity or like drawn
I'm
liquidity that
target.
was like set like I don't know how long ago. This was probably like
That
minutes
means it's
ago,
gonna go
bro.
down.
We
That means it's
tapped
gonna go
that,
down.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
right
tapped
there.
that dog, and then that's when it like retraced.
I'm
So it's gonna
targeting
go
this
down,
low, and I want to see how it reacts if it dumps
Hmm.
below this low. Then
bro. It
Yeah.
just fucking went all the way up.
who cares? If it dumps to this low
Hold the
and it
sale.
comes down to 50% of that range, I'ma trail my stop all the way back to this low, and I want to see if it will reach down here.
I don't get this shit, bro. Oh my god.
That man about to blow his account. I don't see any PDA raise to make price go back down. Only thing I do see is this order block here.
Y'all been
So,
knowing it was finna go up?
so what?
Y'all been knowing it was finna go up?
Bro, we're not even talking, bro. You're the only one that's talking. I'm being patient. That's why you don't enter on the 1 minute, bro. With those tight ass stop loss, your ass gonna get punched all around, bro. And then you gotta enter again. You gotta enter again. Like I hate that way of trading. It's just annoying. But hey, man, I'm just another man talking. I don't know. I don't have all the answers. I wish I caught the early buys above those weekly SMTs. That would have been so fucking beautiful. Next time I see that shit, I'm not even gonna hesitate. I'm just gonna just sell it. Come on, dump. This hour candle's gonna close, right? Ooh, I like the hour candle actually. If you can close below this shit on an hour time frame, an hour below these up candles, that would be nice. And we tap into
Motherfucker,
the
bro.
hourly fair
God
value gap too.
damn.
That would be nice to see. But please just fucking dump, bro. Ah, shit. Mm, Metro Boomin turned me to a superhero. Yeah, yeah. Please dump, 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 dump. Damn, bro. Them niggas try to pass this
For
shit
real.
so we can start making some real bread and then put that bitch in the personal and multiply. Baby, 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 baby. Do 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 do. Baby, 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 baby. Come on, bro. I don't even know my fucking my password to my fucking Apple ID, bro. Motherfuckers hacking me and shit, bro. Why me? Out of everybody else. Niggas are trying to hack me out, bro. We got 5 more minutes into this fucking hour candle close, dog. Come on, close below that down, that up candle. Create another order block. Come on, come on. Come on. 35 seconds. Damn, nigga. And she ain't looking too bright. Look at the 1 hour.
Oh,
Bruh. If this last 5 minute candle don't close below this blue line, I'm gonna close this bitch early. This shit's so fucking annoying. I get tired looking at this dumbass price action.
I think y'all should just wait until 9:30. I ain't gonna.
Bruh. Look at this dumb shit.
Damn,
Look at this dumb shit, bro.
shit moving stupid.
So it's just like talking about 200 EMA.
Nice. With this display higher taking out this high, bro.
God damn, gang.
I know, bro. I know. I know.
What up?
We can display back down and close below that. I think we'll still be in the game. But if not, I gotta close this bitch short. That's a 30-second fair value gap. I ain't looking too bright. Looking at it on a 15 seconds. Come on, close below it.
Bro, you trade the 15 second?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I trade all that.
Bro, are you good at trading the 15 second? Cause I be
Yeah.
trying and I fucking suck at that shit. I ain't gonna lie.
You gotta blend the higher time frame with the
Yo,
lower time
Abibu,
frame.
what fair value gap did it respect?
I don't know. Read price.
I don't see it.
Then I don't know either.
You gotta do what with the 15 second again, bro? My fault, I
This
ain't hear.
motherfucker saying there's a fucking can't with this fucking Abibu motherfucker, bro. Motherfucker saying false shit. Like, what is bro talking about? Like, what is bro talking about? We have no fucking fair value gaps. I'm hopping off it today.
Nah, bro. Take it easy.
Like, yes, sir.
You sir. I like that displacement right there.
Ah, look at that dump.
Yeah, look at that
Yeah,
dump.
that's a crazy dump.
Sweep of liquidity and dump. But
Hmm.
it keeps coming back to this
That's what I'm
price
saying.
range
Like,
where something is
yeah.
holding it there.
I don't know what it is. It's so annoying.
I want to break it. I want to see it break it. It's a volume imbalance. Support and resistance. It's the it's a low volume node on the 4 hour candle.
We just got a new 1 hour candle. Oh, we closed below
And the
it.
higher the volume imbalance on the daily.
We closed below it. Oh, nice. And this is an order block. An hourly order block.
But it swept liquidity and it came dropped back down. So
So this is an order
I don't
block.
know. I don't like this range, and so that's why I got out of the trade because it's ranging. It's too nerve wracking for me. Like don't want to do this.
Yeah, I know.
1 second.
There we go.
Don't.
Wow.
We just respected this 30-second order block. There we go.
Like now she's some pressure to the south, bro.
Yes, sir. There we go. Bro, that shit was really testing my patience, bro. I was really gonna close that shit early. She was really on my nerve, bro. I was like, bro. But I have a little bit patient because I've been through this whole thing before, man. What made me like want to hold it? Because we closed below the series of like down candles, so this becomes a bearish 1 hour order block. And then not only that, we tapped into this hour fair value gap and then rejected lower. So
There you go.
So all I want to see is us take out this low right here, close below it, and then we should dump pretty heavy.
That's the damn dump that I wanted to see, bro. But they did not want to give it to us. They wanted to see who really wanted it, and sweep the liquidity for people that entered late.
Yes, sir.
Now this is like a free fall from here.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Just drop, just dump, bro. Just dump, dump, dump. The fuck? Shit's so annoying, bro. Damn. I know it's gonna trade into that gap, bro. After how price jumped from Tuesday close to Wednesday open, bro, it needs to click. It needs to fill all that in. If it does all that today, then tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday is gonna sell off, and I'm catching those sales, dog. This is a market maker buy program. Original consolidation. We're buying SMTs sold off. We manipulated these highs. We created some SMTs with Dow and Nasdaq. Nasdaq created a lower low. Dow created a higher high, and this one created a lower high. But now it's retracing back up. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and see what it's actually doing. What is it doing? Came back to this last up candle.
Hey, you think it might be like healthy price action performance to the south?
Yes, yes, sir. It should just drop like pretty crazy. Once it takes out 18,747, you should see like massive dumps. If not, if you see like a big rejection, I might close that shit early. But I am anticipating that gap to be filled Tuesday close and Wednesday open. And right now we only have it's 2:06. So I only got an hour and 4 minutes to trade before Top Step close my trade again. This is ridiculous. I want to see what the 1 second look like. Man, 1 second looking tossy as
Yeah, so it
fuck.
just came up and tested my 9 EMA.
Look at the 1 second. God damn. Yeah, I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. I'm so damn hungry, bro. I'm so hungry, but I'm trading right now.
Hey, brother, you got some more tips on trading that 15 minute time frame?
15 minutes or 15 seconds?
I mean, I'm out for 15 second.
15 seconds. You want to. Um, how would you trade it? You want your structure to be on the 5, 15 minute. You want to see like a breaker structure on the 15 minute,
Hmm.
and you want to look for.
Bro,
Go ahead.
my bad. My bad. It's disrespectful. My bad to bump in.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Finish what you said.
Yeah. So you want to look for structure on the 15, and then you want to look
On the
for.
15 second. I mean, just some general advice because I'm just because I don't know for some reason I'm not like as good as like trade on the 15 second, and I take a class where like we trade on the 15 second time frame, and I trade on the 1 minute.
Yeah. Basically what I do, I just blend higher time frame to the
Hmm.
lower time frame. So you see, like on top of here, what to say? I looked at structure on the 4 hour, so I break a structure on the 4 hour, then created like a fair value gap on the 4 hour. Then if I
Right.
want to, like go on a lower time frame to like make my stop very tight, I'll go from the 4 hour to the 15, 15 to the one, 1 to the 15. If it's the other way around, what I say, I look at the structure on a daily, and I look at the my bias on a daily, look at the structure on the 1 hour, look for entries on the 5, and if I want to make my stop really tight and precise and look for areas, then I go on the 30 seconds. But each time frame aligns, like the 5 minutes aligns with the 30 seconds, the 1 minute aligns with the 15 aligns with the 1 hour aligns with the 5, the 4 hour aligns with the 15, the daily aligns with the 1 hour, the weekly aligns with the 4 hour, the monthly aligns with the daily, the 3 months aligns with the weekly, the 6 months align with the monthly, the 12 months align with the 3 months. That's how I have everything set up here. The 30 seconds align with the 1 second, but I don't take trades on a 1 second. So
Okay, so you use like different time frames and influence with
yeah,
a lower time frame.
yeah. The lowest I went was I based it on the 5 minute. I had a fair value gap on the 5 minute and SMTs on the 5 minute. Then I went to the 30 seconds to look for a change of state, like a bearish order block, and I sold it right there. My stop was so tight, and it went my way, and I was like, wow. But now I haven't done a 1 minute to 15 seconds yet. I have taken trades on the 15 seconds before, but not. I don't do that often though. It's pretty rare for me to do that. 30 seconds. I just
Bro,
look at my
I think
structure.
that if you haven't been trading for like 3, 4 years, 5 years, or you haven't mastered your strategy, like if you've been trading for say for a year, but you have mastered your strategy, you're profitable, you're consistent, stay away from the 15 seconds. Unless you know what you're doing. This is what I'm saying. You need to build experience to know what am I like where you need to build experience of losing to understand when you're not to take a trade because you're gonna get so many opportunities on the 15 second.
It's endless, bro. It's endless. So
It's for real.
if you know the structure on a higher time frame, like what they say, you caught the low of that 4 hour candle, right? You know how like you know how it creates like a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a
Yeah.
lower low, and then
Hmm.
it creates that false swing, right?
Hmm.
And then it creates that false swing where it creates that low that didn't take out the lower low.
Hmm.
Now, once you get a break of structure to the upside, creating a higher high, and you take your fib from the higher low to the higher high, and once it comes down to an area where you want to look at price on a lower time frame, like what they say, there's a gap, and it retraces down to like maybe the 61 or the 70, you can look at the structure on a 1 minute to see what it looks like. And if you see the same
Hmm.
concept of how it was selling before it broke structure to the upside, creating a higher high, you can look for the same thing on that time frame. And then once price goes into that time frame gap, validating the structure on both time frames, you can go on a lower time frame and be like, hey, let me see if I can see the same thing on a lower time frame. And if all three time frames syncs, those type of trades, as soon as you enter, it just goes your way because you took your time analyzing it. If you backtest it several times and break your charts multiple times, like you see how I have two charts here, if you
Yeah.
break it down to like four and then you have different time frames and you just backtest just for fun, bro, you will see what I'm talking about. Like it will blow your mind. But you don't really need it. But if you do want to use it, you're just making your stops like very tight. And if you do that, you need to have reasons on why it won't take you out for you to get into that 30 seconds fair value gap. Like this one right here. There's a gap right here. So I'm just watching every gap, see how I respect. If you were to enter
Hmm.
this, you gotta have reasons why it's not gonna take you out. But to say you enter here, you put your stop down here. You gotta have reasons why that's not gonna take you out. Some people did just aim for this low and get out. That's like
Hmm.
literally a 1 to 2. You know, add a lot of risks beyond that. But I don't trade that way, man. I going to stick to the least. I like to enter. It's like I mean I have enter on the 30 seconds before the one, the five, the 15. Like this trade I enter on the 15 based on this order block. How this candle closed below it, and then we had all this disgusting price action here. So I was like, damn it, what the hell? But when you look at it, when you look at these two,
Hmm.
we these prices they came up to this high, but didn't. It failed to display higher. You see the bodies are below it.
Yeah.
So when I saw that, I was like, okay. And then we created some SMTs. So when you see over here, we see that all this manipulation, it was just creating a higher high, while US 30 was creating a lower high. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hold on to my trade. So now when I see that, I can move my stop down here to reduce the risk. So I'm just watching what price is doing, so that when I do go on the lower time frame, I can just have the comfort to have the ability just to hold the trade longer.
Yeah.
Um, so if I see those teams like SMTs is basically letting me know that those highs are protected. Price should not trade up there. And if I don't see no SMTs on these lows, I mean there were SMTs on these lows. I really truly believe we're gonna sweep these SMTs, and if we do, it's gonna drop like crazy. And you guys are gonna see it. We take it out. These SMTs were right here actually. Um, ooh, this one already took it out. Never mind. All right. So we should dump. We should dump. But there were some SMTs right here. This one created a higher low, and this one created a lower low. And this candle just took that out. So Nash is gonna do the same thing. Whew. We are gonna dump. We are gonna dump.
Damn, bro, I wish I wouldn't place my stop loss so tight.
You said what?
I wish I didn't place my stop loss so tight because I
Yeah.
entered at the top.
Yeah. That's why you gotta put a risk that you're comfortable of like losing,
Eh,
so you can have a bigger
yeah,
stop.
yeah, but because the liquidity wasn't swept. But what I told you about the 2 p.m., bro, 2 p.m.
Yes,
It
sir.
happens a lot.
It's just
Timing is
crazy.
also very important.
Hmm. 2 counts is above $800 right now. Just imagine if I took the same trade on E Mini, bro. My wrist would have been crazy. My heart would have been pounding. Do 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 do
Soon,
do.
bro. Soon enough, you will.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. I received that in the name of Jesus. Ugh, come on, dump. Damn,
Good
Jeffrey.
job on the patience.
Yeah.
A good job, bro.
You saw how Jeffrey was tripping out, bro. He wasn't calm at all.
Yeah, buy, sell, buy, sell.
Yeah, that's why, bro. I'm telling you. When you hear somebody
Hey,
when you hear people talk like that, bro, they're not confident, bro. They're not confident. They trading strategy.
Yeah, I
Even
know,
how
bro.
much
even
money to pass, bro?
huh?
50. the-
I,
You
I
have 50K, right? How
yeah, I
much
gotta.
to
Oh, you gotta make
to pass? No,
$9,000.
no, no, no. The 51. I
Oh,
saw
the
Jeffrey have
51.
a. Yeah.
You gotta
Isn't it
make
3K?
three. No, the 50K. I think yeah, you gotta make 3,000. Yeah, 3,000.
3K?
Yeah, 3K. That shit's easy. If I buy 50Ks, I'll pass that shit in 2 days. But I don't want that,
Jeffrey indeed hit the 3K, but he didn't close the trade.
bro. He's tripping, bro.
I saw it. Like,
Even
what?
even the trade that he entered, right? If you just put a stop above the order block, he still would have been up right now and would have passed it. But he's very emotional, and I'm trying to help him out, but he thinks like I'm just making fun of him. I mean, I do find it funny because I used to be in this situation. I do find it funny because I used to be in this situation. How he reacting to price, man. I used to be just like that. Oh, it's buying. Oh shit, it's selling. Oh shit. Oh
Yeah,
wait,
bro.
wait,
Me
wait.
too. I think we all were, bro.
I
Oh my
used to
fuck.
be. I used to be just like that, bro. Oh shit,
Wait,
it's selling.
what happened with Jeffrey?
This is funny, bro.
He got emotional, man. I think he
He didn't
lost.
trust the trade.
Hell no, that nigga lost some money. He made it back. He probably lost that shit again. I told him to chill. We y'all both heard me say that shit, right? I said, yo, chill out. Chill out for the nah, bro. I'm gonna get in for another trade. Alright, it's your
Man,
account.
if he just held it exactly where you had it, like it didn't
Yeah,
even hit stop loss or anything, bro. Just wait.
right. Like this right here was testing my patience, bro. I was like,
Yeah, for real.
even I was telling myself, I was like, man, I'm about to get stomped out. Then when I saw this pattern, I said, oh,
Ain't gonna lie, that shit did get close.
it
Yo,
did.
you know
Yeah,
when
it did get close.
it was? It was so close. I was sure it's gonna go up, whip the liquidity, and go and then go down. That's why I exited the first trade. I entered on
Yeah,
19062, bro.
that's what I'm saying. Like every trade I try to get into, bro, I always accept the risk. The only time I refuse it is when we're creasing the SMTs, so I can just bring it down. So like right now, I can bring this down right here to this low, cause that's SMTs, and I can go on my other account and do the same thing. But I'm okay. I'll leave it how it is.
Oh my bad. That's not it. Shit, it's not 19062. Fuck, that was New York AM. This trade I entered at 18,919.
Baby, 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 baby. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, baby, baby,
Where did you
baby.
enter it, Obi?
So where did I enter?
Oh, let's go. 1K. Where'd you enter it?
I entered on the
Oh shit.
15-minute
Yo.
bearish order
No,
block right
no,
here.
like the price. What price you enter at?
Oh, I entered at 18,915.75.
Oh, let's go, bro. That's crazy, dude. Imagine fucking selling four minis or
Bro,
fucking having or having 20 Apex accounts,
bro.
bro.
Yo, my
Soon,
day's
bro. I
coming, bro.
swear,
It's
bro.
coming. It's coming.
It is, bro.
It's coming.
For sure, man. Me too.
Let me pass these and then get a
Let's go.
payout, and
So
I'm gonna buy
it's
more.
go. It's gonna. He's gonna hit that. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope it does.
Like
And
the
if we
lows.
if we take this out, we're gonna sweep all this, and then we're gonna dive into these lows.
Yeah, for sure, bro. That's low resistance liquidity, man.
Yes, sir. All this right here is gonna get cleaned out like a mop.
It's easy. It's like a free fall, bro.
Hmm. So all these people that were buying here, oh my God, it's buying. Yes, I entered an order block. Oh shit, I entered another order block. Oh shit, I entered another order block. Yeah, your ass gonna get stopped soon. Keep holding.
Yeah, for sure. Exactly.
I'm coming.
It's a trend. It's a trend. It's an uptrend, bro. Look at my fucking 200 EMA, bro. It's it's holding. It's an uptrend above the 200 EMA.
Look how many people,
Shit.
look how many people were buying the order block. Look, boom,
Low
boom,
key. Oh,
boom.
I actually bought right there. It's London session, dude.
Right. I was seeing the
I
whole time,
bought.
but I didn't want to entertain it. Boom. Look at that. Just clean entries. Look at this one. Boom. Look at this one right here. Boom. People were just entering order blocks. Look at that price action.
Yeah, but that doesn't happen a lot, bro. When London session is acting like this, when it's
Right.
like
When you see when you see
a
all this right
simple
here,
trend.
when you see all this trend line shit, yeah, that shit's gonna get swept.
Bro, it catches you off guard when you're not used to seeing London trade like that, trend like this way. It catches you off guard. It's like you can't put it like you can't imagine London is gonna trend today. Like what? London usually manipulates up and
Hmm.
down, takes previous highs and stuff. Then New York takes the high and then it just dumps or it goes up, trends. And then PM comes back to equilibrium in the opposite direction.
Hmm. That's how it be like.
But then when those days happen, when you see a trend, a nice trend, the one that you see in the movies, in your fantasies, when you buy the very top, the very bottom, and it goes up and trends all the way up. Those catch you off guard. I hate trading those actually. I love when the market is ranging. So it takes the previous highs, sweeps liquidity, gives me some price action to work with.
Hmm.
Especially those times, especially those times when the market trends breaks below a previous like an order block or something, like the market is shifting and then it continues up, breaks like it gives you a fake shift, continues up, breaks, gives you a fake shift, continues up. I hate that shit. I used to get stopped out at every yo, bro, that's crazy. Like the market is literally dumping, it's just like free falling. You see a trend, all the goes down and down and down, like at the end of the day. And every time it made an order block, market structure shift to the upside, I was like, I'm about to catch the reversal. I'm about to catch the reversal. I'm gonna look at this trend. It's gonna be a trade. Is gonna be magnificent. Then you get
Hmm.
stopped out, and then you think, okay, this time it's gonna happen. This is when it's gonna reverse, and then you get stopped out. Then you fucking cry about it like a little baby.
Hmm.
That's why I hate trending days. I like when the market is ranging.
Yeah.
But I guess it comes with experience. I mean, if like say I was 20 years into trading, you'll probably be used to everything.
Yeah. Dom, baby, dom, baby, dom. I'm not even gonna post anything. Oh, let me mute that guy. I don't know who's talking right now. But yo ass loud as hell, dog. Where you at? Where you at? Can I make him mute herself? Or what? Can I do that?
Yeah, you should be able to. You're the owner of the Discord, right?
Yeah.
So you should be able to, bro.
I can server mute them, but I don't.
There you go. He's on mute now.
Okay. I want him to be able to unmute
Thank you.
himself. Oh shit, never mind.
Thank you. I hate when people fucking do your head in.
Yeah, I ain't gonna post anything on my Instagram until I get funded. I'm gonna keep all this within the group. Once I get funded, that's when I'll start posting like my trades. Right now it's just pointless. I'm not funded yet. But I do it just to keep it as records, you know. Baby, 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 baby.
Are you gonna have like a schedule when you like come up in here and trade and stuff like that?
Yeah, yeah, bro. Look at the screen. I have it right here, man. Always. Right here. I need you to do me a favor.
Yep,
Right?
yep, yep.
I need you to go up right here, say advance. Over here. Goddamn say I'm interested. You see, I'm trading 8:15 a.m. Central
Let me
Time.
Oh
do that
yeah.
right now.
Yes, sir. Every day, Monday to Friday.
All right,
Monday.
cool.
Yo,
Yeah,
that
man.
is really good, bro. That helps you so much when you have like when you trade with other people that are disciplined, not people that are just noisy. When you trade with a lot of noise, that fucks you up. But when you trade with people that have the same type of vision and are disciplined, they know patience, risk management, and they're not behaving impulsively like a child.
Not like Jeffrey.
Yeah, that
Mm-hmm.
shit builds you up, man. That teaches you good habits.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
On down online, it look like we got a little S&T right here. I don't like that. And looking too bright. But I do favor the dump.
Are you from Texas?
Nah, I just be faking the accent. Oh man. Spot some another S&T, please. We do got this gap here, so we may trade into it. But I do know if we take this low, bro, all hell's loose. All hell is loose. These lows are gonna get slapped the fuck up.
Yo, bro, if it breaks down below that low, you're golden.
Right. That's all I'm waiting on, bro. I'm happy that the Lakers won. Come on, dump, please. Please, boss man. Please, boss man. Bro. Oh shit, I just turned off my monitor. What the hell? Bro, the first thing I'm gonna get when I get a payout, I'm gonna get me that Alienware monitor. I need that. I need it. I can have like 8 fucking charts on my fucking monitor, bro. And 4K? I need it.
Yeah, I need to get another chart. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna
Be
upgrade
honest
my
with you.
whole
I
setup.
need another one.
Hell yeah,
I got two. I need one more.
I'm gonna get me 2 more of those bitches. Well, I'm gonna get me 2 new ones, bro. I'm gonna
I'm
order
like an
one.
addict, bro.
I'm gonna order one and see how it looks, and then if it looks like I need another one, I'll add another one. All right, this is gonna
Like an
dump.
addict to monitors, bro.
Dumpity dumpity dump 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 dump. Dump 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 dump.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scalping this whole thing, bro.
Boom! That shit dumped it. Uh oh. It took out a
Let's go.
low.
Let's go, bro.
It
Yeah,
took
that
out a
gap is definitely
low.
gonna get filled.
Yes, sir. I am holding. I'm being patient. I thought we were gonna create some SMT in reverse. I was like, please don't do that dumbass shit. There we go. There you go, baby. Let's stomp all these motherfuckers out that was buying a London session. Let's stomp all those niggas out. Let's go. Well, come on. Go take that London low and Asia low. Let's do that.
I think this is where the price is gonna sit for till the end of the day or for
We
today.
had all this accumulation and then manipulation taking out these highs.
You think that's gonna be taken today?
No, no, the highs. No, 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 no. I was just saying like
No, the
accumulation.
lows
The lows. Hell yeah.
today.
Yeah, Asia low. Yeah, that shit's getting violated. That shit's going
The
down.
market, the market is gonna close.
Oh, you're right. Wait. Only have like.
The
Yeah,
market
you're right.
closed in 1 hour and 21 minutes.
Yeah, you're right because Top Step only have into. You see my time right here. It says 2:37. I only have into 3:10 before they close my trade. I might settle for
Fuck.
the eight. I might settle for the Asia low. What about that? Matter of fact, I might just settle for this. You think this is a good amount? I think it's a good amount. Let's settle for that.
This is the low of that daily volume imbalance. This could have been the objective for this move.
Oh my
I think
god.
this is today's terminus.
Please don't tell me that I didn't take the same
It
trade.
could range, bro.
Oh, bro, I
It
didn't take
could
this
just
trade on
range.
my other account, bro. Ah.
It's okay.
Wow. Wow.
Nothing, chill, bro. Just a trade.
Wow.
You're gonna have so many of them, bro. If it's not gonna matter in 5 years, don't spend more than 5 minutes fucking
Wow.
being frustrated
I
about
didn't
it.
take it on my other account. I thought I did. What the fuck?
It's alright,
Wow. That's
bro.
fucked up.
You understand that you're abundant with trades, the amount of trades you're gonna have.
Yeah, I know, but damn. I try to make sure everything is the same.
It is what it is.
uh,
It is what it is.
I'm just gonna. trade on Trader Babe instead of like doing
It's
it one
alright.
at a time. Wow. Yeah, that sucks. That was a waste.
It's alright.
Wow. I was not paying attention, bro.
Bro, do you not use a copy trader?
No, like I was on Trading View the whole time. I just forgot to just go on the other one and place the same trade. I forgot.
You can't copy trade them?
No, you can if I did it directly on Trader Babe, yeah. But I didn't do that. Fuck. It is what it is. Fucking no. Alright. It is what it is, I guess.
Don't you have the option on Trade of 8 to copy trade, bro?
Yeah, you see, I grouped it, but I'm telling you that I didn't place it on Trader View.
Ah, you gotta trade from Trade of 8
Yeah, you gotta do it
for
on
it to
Trader
work.
View. Yeah, but
Right.
I thought I did the same thing on Trading View. I thought I switched to the other account and placed the
Wait,
same
are
thing, but I
you
didn't.
using Top Step, right?
Yeah.
Can you not switch from Trade of 8 to say now? Just a question, right? I'm not telling you to do this, but can you not switch from Trade of 8 to Project X?
I don't like Project X. It's like a
Oh
fake Trading View.
no, bro. Project X. I prefer Project X than over the Trade of 8, bro. It's so much better. One because it's like Trade of View and I'm familiar. This is like I do all of my analysis on fucking Tradeovate, so I'm familiar with the platform. And two, the most important part is
I'm
that
gonna
you
go
can
ahead.
set your daily loss limit
Order
that
filled.
locks you and blocks you out. So if you go on tilt, this what fucks up and destroys most of the traders. Not taking loads of losses, but going on tilt and blowing that shit in one day.
Yeah, I
So when
closed.
you have a platform that locks you out and blocks you out, if you hit your daily loss limit, you live to survive, bro. I mean, you survive the next day. You don't live to survive. That's kind of harsh, but you you survive till the next day when you can bounce back.
No,
But
you're cool.
if you get too emotional and you get too caught up in your own in yourself, you just blow it out the water, bro.
Yeah, been there, done that. But damn, I should have paid attention.
Yeah.
But it's cool. I'll see if I can find a setup.